Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone is stuck showing an authentication error when trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network, it usually means your saved password is out of date or your device has an IP conflict with the router. I will show you exactly how to refresh this connection and get back online right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most common reason for this error is that the Wi-Fi password was recently changed, but your phone is stubbornly trying to use the old saved one. Open your Android Settings app and tap on Network and Internet or Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi to view your available networks and tap the gear icon next to the network that is giving you the error. Tap the Forget button with the little trash can icon to completely erase the saved credentials. Tap on the network name again, carefully type in the correct, up-to-date password, and hit Connect. Next, if the password is 100% correct but the error persists, a glitch in your phone's network cache or a randomized MAC address might be blocking the secure handshake. Go back to your main settings menu and scroll all the way down to System or General Management. Look for a menu called Reset Options. Tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, or Reset Network Settings, and hit the Reset button to confirm. This is incredibly helpful because it safely wipes out deeply corrupted network caches without deleting any of your personal photos or apps. Finally, the authentication block might actually be coming from the router itself rather than your Android phone. Modern home routers can temporarily freeze up and stop assigning IP addresses if they've been running for too long or if too many devices are connected at once. Simply unplug your Wi-Fi router from the wall power outlet, wait a full 30 seconds, and plug it back in. While the router is booting back up, press and hold your phone's power button and select Restart. Once both devices power back on, your phone should authenticate smoothly without the error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.